If you want to change your template in Squarespace 7.1, here's how to do it. First, it's important to know that in version 7.1, you don't technically switch templates. Instead, you change your site's look through site styles. All templates in 7.1 share the same features, so what you're really adjusting is the design and theme. To get started, open your website dashboard and go to the website section from the main menu on the left, then select Styles. This is where most of your design customization happens. Inside Site Styles, you'll see an option called Themes. This is where Squarespace gives you a variety of pre-designed styles to choose from. These themes control your site's typography, colors, and overall layout feel. Themes are organized into categories such as professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, and innovative. Each one sets a different tone. Whether you want something polished and modern or fun and creative, take some time to explore these categories and think about the impression you want your site to give. When previewing themes, look at how they interact with your current content. Some themes may highlight images better, while others emphasize text. Hover over or select a theme to get a quick preview before applying it. Once you've found the right fit, simply apply it. This will instantly refresh your website's appearance without affecting your content. One quick tip: if you already have a site with lots of content, consider creating a second demo site. Choose a design you like there and then copy over the fonts, colors, and settings to your main site. It's a safe way to test without disrupting your live design. And if you're still on Squarespace 7.0, the process looks a little different. You'll need to go into Design, Greater Than Template, and install a new one. But if you can, upgrading to 7.1 is the smarter move, since it gives you all these flexible design options. So remember, on 7.1, templates are really just themes inside site styles. With a few clicks, you can completely change your site's look and better align it with your brand or personal style.